Hello everyone, hello future me. Today is December the 28th, 2024. I will do a quick recap of one of the trades, the only trades that I took in the past 2 days. So today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday. I took this small trade on rats, 1,000 rats, roughly at 9:45 in the morning. So by the looks of it, this was the daily support, which turned into resistance. It broke through in the morning. So I was watching this price action here. It looked, if we look on the 5 minute, it keeps dumping. If we look on the 15, where are we? It was dumping. On the 30, it was curling down and it it crossed over the MACD. 1 hour as well was slowly heading down. So my thought process was, this is bearish, we're looking bearish. I was looking also at BTC during that time, and it was completely collapsing on Friday morning, roughly here. So this price action shows extreme weakness because it's slowly pushing up in from Thursday 3 a.m. until Friday at 8 a.m. More than 24 hours of bearish price action of nothing happening, slowly pushing up by barely anything, 1.6%. Some similar to this price action here. So when I saw that it was going down to 9 in the morning, I was expecting this low to get taken right here. Also on ETH, the same price action structure, so I was expecting this low to get taken, which it did. In the meantime, I was looking at this and I was firmly believing that at least this would get taken. So if you look on the 15-minute, that at least this sort of wick would be touched. I did 2-3 mistakes. So essentially I was originally just targeting a sort of a, we're gonna break below that red line and that would be it. So I was expecting something like this. So that's what I was expecting. So I was originally targeting something like this. My original stop loss was just around here, like at 1%. And I was really focused on just trying to take the profit. Okay, just trying to make a profit because yes, we dumped quite a bit, and I was thinking, just I'm really late and I need to take it. So the first mistake that I made is I got greedy. When I saw this 2-minute candle, I was like, whoa, this may really hit the resistance. That was resistance, not support. We was gonna hit the support here, but it's just I got greedy, okay, and my take profit was here. It just never. How can I say this? I just got greedy again, and so my original take profit was here, and I moved it here, and it didn't hit. And then it slowly went back up, and I was squirming inside. Oh my god, why didn't I take profit? Oh my god, why didn't I take profit? Oh my god, I'm about to get stopped out. It was so painful, so emotionally painful. It kept going bearish though. It was still bearish. I still saw the 5-minute close go above, cross it, and I was like, yeah, I think we're kind of doomed. But luckily, this 5-minute candle right here, I'm going to put it at reversal. This one right here showed that it was going to go down. So I was like, okay, it looks pretty good. So I decided to move my take profit from here to take this low. And this was it. That was my take profit. However, I got greedy again, and I was like, you know what? Can I please target like the 786? Because it looks like we broke through the 618. Can I target like here? Because we have this liquidity block. So I was like, can I target something like this? Like for a 3R? Like something like this? So it would be really good. And it kept going lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. And finally, I saw this 1-minute candle, and I was like, whoa. It's kind of over now. For a 1-minute candle to look like that, if it's not reversed in 2-3 candles, like this one right here, or this one right here, I don't think we're gonna go lower. So I decided to put a stop loss, a mental stop loss, right about here, right above this candle. Right above this candle. So when I saw that we broke through, I was like, yep, I need to close, and I manually closed it, a market order, which netted us a 1.5 R. So again, I think we made multiple mistakes. The first one would be that originally I wanted to enter right here at 6616, exactly like this, maybe a bit higher, something like this right here, with a stop loss here. I mean, if it went like this, it's still a valid short here, so we would have seen the reaction, but most likely than not, we would have taken another short, because my plan is usually, if I short, it has to go right then, right there. I'm not going to wait, and I'm not going to hold. So I entered late by one candle, by a 5-minute candle. I was just so annoyed by this because I was waiting for a green candle on the 1 minute, and it just never came. It just never, ever, ever came. And it made me so annoyed. So annoyed. So I entered here. It made me so annoyed that I decided, you know what, on this count, I'm just gonna short. I don't have time. What if it keeps going and going and going and going and going and going and going, right? So I broke my plan by entering late. Second one was I could have just taken profit right here, and I would have been done, and I would have been happy that I followed my plan. However, I did not. I got greedy again. I got super emotional during this entire time. I was extremely nauseous. Not because I'm gonna get stopped, but because I'm not following my plan. And then here, man, again, not following my original thought process, and my eyes looked at the greed. I got, you know how it is. I got bamboozled by greed again. Could have taken a nice 2.5 R, maybe a 2.4 R. Would have been nice. Somewhere around here would have been nice. But to be honest, at least I closed at the right time, because we only had maybe a one quick wick below my take profit. So in the end, it worked out pretty well. Then I was also looking for a short around here, but I decided since we're around Christmas area and a lot of parties, I'm not going to enter a short and just watch my phone or stress about my stop loss or blah 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 blah. So I just let it run, and now we are here. So if I look on my Binance one, we have another daily here, which I can just put it now, but there's so much information on the chart that I need to rechart it. But I'm suspecting with how it looks that we're going to have some sort of thing like this, maybe another wick here higher, and then we're going to retest at least this if we need to go higher. Yeah, but for now, this is it. A 1.5 hour trade in 2 days. Everything is going well. I just need to fix my greed. If I fix my greed, I'll be a fantastic trader. Yes, I can enter late, but if I fix my greed, everything will be fine. So that's it for now, guys. And future me, I'll catch you guys on the next one. One more day under the belt.